Hey everybody, Lone Star Rocker Channel. Guess where I'm at? In the Big Apple. What do you think about that? That's awesome, isn't it? So anyway, we're gonna go on a walking tour and learn about this city and see what we can check out. So why don't you hang out with us? Wonder what she's looking at here. We are at the New York Stock Exchange. Let's head on in there and buy some stocks.
And so this was a defensive wall. Sorry, I'm kidding. The guy patrolling, see, to defend the little city of the time. And the little city of the time, which was on that side, was New Amsterdam. Yes, it's the Dutch. Center, right? The place where the trees are. So now, of course, they put trees around because of COVID that they never removed. So it explains why the people who were still in the tower at the time, there were the 2,700 people. Yay! Okay, but now we have to find a way for you to get. We're gonna go over.
9/11 Memorial here in New York. This is where it happened. Very sad, but beautiful to see. Something I'll never forget in my lifetime, that's for sure. Glad to be here. Big and amazing this painting is. Wow. Gotta grab the bull by the horns.
Yeah, and I think like no metal.
Okay, I'm gonna walk over to the Statue of Liberty. I think we're gonna try to get a ferry over there. It's gonna be pretty exciting. Haven't been here since I was really young, so I'm curious to see if they let people go up into the hand of the Statue of Liberty or up at top. That would be nice.
And so, as I always say, if you like the tour, my name is Ellen. If you did not like the tour, my name is George. George, right? So that we're clear. Okay?
Instructions for donning life jackets are posted around the vessel. Life rings are positioned on the top deck and on the main deck, both forward and aft. Also, several wine apparatus.
All right, we made it to Liberty Island. We're gonna go look at the Statue of Liberty and maybe we'll get to go inside. Tried to get it all in there. There she is. How majestic. Like to see it at nighttime. It's pretty amazing to see it this close.
Enjoy, Bob.
The statue began as the impulse of a human heart. Paris, 1865. Edouard de Laboulaye, a professor of constitutional law and history, and a great admirer of American liberty, is inspired by news that slavery in the United States has been abolished. The Civil War is over. To Laboulaye, it seems that finally America is fully committed to its founding ideals of human liberty and equality. Nearly a century earlier, France had been a crucial ally in America's war for independence, a war for the cause of liberty. He imagines a monument, a gift from the French people to commemorate that alliance and to celebrate America's progress toward liberty for all. With the fall of their own republic, the cause of liberty was faltering in France. Laboulaye hopes this gift will rouse a new call for democracy there. He shares his idea with a small group of colleagues and friends. Among Laboulaye's most enthusiastic supporters is Frédéric Auguste Bertholdi, a talented Parisian sculptor. He is fascinated by the colossal
Finally, we came to
Frédéric Bertholdi. Well, everybody, that's my vlog over at Liberty Island. Statue of Liberty's amazing. We're gonna head back to Texas tomorrow, but it's been an amazing trip in New York. I'm gonna upload something cool to watch. If you like what you see, please subscribe, and I want you all to keep on rocking.